How to log in WhatsApp without verification code. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log in into WhatsApp without the verification code. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you are a native WhatsApp user and then you use WhatsApp for personal or professional purposes, but then sometimes what happens is that you might not be actually getting the verification code and you might want to log in without a verification code, or maybe you don't have the access to the number but it still wants to log in. Now think about it. When there are applications like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, they usually verify your ownership because you have password and email. And because you know your email address and password, you can enter them and log into the account. But WhatsApp is a number-to-number basis application. It functions because there is individual number. It doesn't need a password. It doesn't need an email address. It only needs a number. But if you cannot prove that the number belongs to you, which in most cases WhatsApp will send a verification code to your number, then you will not be able to log into your WhatsApp account. Point blank, period. That's the thing that you have to understand. If you cannot prove the ownership of a phone number or the account, how can WhatsApp give you access to that? This is simply the truth of this video. WhatsApp is actually a privacy-focused application. It doesn't store your data. It doesn't store your data in the database, such as email address or phone number. It's fully focused in privacy. That is why even you have to back up and delete the chat yourself. So if you don't have a number, you will not be able to log in. So just make sure that you get access to the number, verify the code, and then you should be good after that. So hope this video helps. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.